In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock and tapping on Alarms at the top. When you're ready to create a new one, hit this plus at the top right corner. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. First of all, set up an hour at the top. Then click on this area under Description to label your alarm. And when you finished, hit Alarm Sound. Now you can click on one of those melodies right away and tap on Apply, or pick any song from your device by hitting this plus at the top right corner, clicking on Theme Store or Music, tapping on the song and choosing OK at the bottom. You can even select Trim and adjust it. Remember to hit Apply over here and then select Repeat. Now tap on the best option for you. Do not repeat, Monday to Friday, Everyday or Custom. If you wish to choose Custom, after clicking on it, you need to exclude days of the week by clicking on green icons next to them. Then select OK in the pop-up to save your changes. Finally, you can click on this icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm, and select Done. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and hit Done. If you want to switch off your alarm completely, use green icon next to it. And to turn it back on, tap on the same, now white one. Lastly, to delete your alarm, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Delete. Tap on the one that you wish to get rid of and choose Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!